Oh, dude, that's so mean. That's mean. Not nice. Ow!
Oh my god.
Open your mouth and see what your cat does.
Oh my god, what? That's a whole cat. Am I gonna be on TikTok?
Excuse me, her name is Margot. Now Margot or Mango was Fargo. Yeah, someone said Wells Fargo. Like, her name is Margot.
Sweetie, what's in there? Oh, sweetie. Look at his little head. He's oh.
You did not expect that.
Look at him.
Smooth's so scared, yeah.
What a cute little lizard I got. And I got him on sale.
Hey, Grandma,
Hello.
that's not a lizard, okay? You should probably drop that leash and run the other way, okay?
Shall I?
Yeah.
Run.
Where's the dinosaur? Yay! Yay, dinosaur! You're tired? You don't want to do it anymore?
That's crazy.
Try to pet him.
No, no, that mother got the big ass dick. You.
Ooh, this is nice. Girl, this is you right here? Okay. They don't smell like roaches in here or nothing. This is so nice.
Do it again. Front flip. Guys, dude? What the? Dude, you're stuck. Dude, stop doing that.
That's why I love Nestle Crunch. At first, I was like, feet, as a joke. But bro, I don't think it's a joke anymore.
Let your cat pet you and see what he does.
Yep.
Toiletten, piano, les vitons j'étais, et les jantons les oppas, les gisons l'été, on voit je les dents, les disponeront.
Hey, Uno, you want some catnip?
He's like, give me that catnip. Here you go.
Yes, you're very happy kitty.
All right, sir, I think you've had enough. Give me that. Oh. Oh. He's like, I'm not done yet, though.
Who the fuck do you think you're looking at like that? You don't know me, bro. You don't know what I do. Do you know what I do for a living? I'm your mother. And I work so that you don't have to. And for you to look at me like that, oh so disrespectfully, you know how that makes me feel? Oh shit!
So I heard if you give your animal an egg, it knows to take care of it because it's super fragile. Oh.
Get off the table! Look what you fucking did! What is your obsession? How did you even get that? Where are you taking it? Where are you taking it? Nemo, stop. Nemo. Why?
Look at the way he's just holding the camera.
Woody.
Remember, with a little rusties and an insane amount of luck, you too can look like me. Ka-chow.
Brilliant, incredible, amazing, show-stopping, spectacular, never the same, totally unique, completely not.
Is me as a potato, but look at my cat is a potato.
Want to meet them? Hi, Gim. Of course, Gimli has zero issues meeting a new cat. What? Callie's like, what is that? Oh no. Oh, honey.
Stop pursing your lips while you poop.
All right, Pen, it's time for us to go.
No.
Pen, we have to go. What do you mean, I haven't even told you where we're going.
No.
What do you mean, no, Pen?
No.
We're going to the dog park.
What?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
Yup.
Told you.
What are you doing? Oh, baby.
Pop the package up here.
I think my cat is broken.
You okay, boy?
What?
Wakey, 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 wakey. It's time for school. Come on. Wake up. It's time for school. Come on, man. Are you ready for school?
Got a new type of cat litter. This is how it went.
Oh, wow. You can't even really see it. You like it, Indiana? It seems to not go as much everywhere. Let's see how it is.
Rest in peace. Bog, in a box. Wake up. Oh. Oh. Oh.
I was in the 3rd grade. People treated me like a criminal because I killed somebody.
Child. Anyway, so I want to apologize to all of you for what I did. It was very wrong and I am very sorry. I just would like to move on and lead a normal life, you know.
International super spy. Super spy!
Making my way back home, been a long day, time to see my fluffy dog.
I'm just gonna scooch in right here if you don't mind. Shh. We've been trying to contact you regarding your car's extended warranty.
Stop! George! Stop it. Love each other. Ow! What you doing?
Mikey, what are you doing? Nothing? I don't think it's nothing. I think you're trying to get into the cat drawer.
Guys, help, I think my cat is broken.
There is your cards. What is there a ton of in heaven? That one? No.
Teaching my cat tricks. Ignore my hand. Smart boy.
Oh yeah, belly rub. Belly rub. You like that? Yeah, you do.
Can all the kitties in the club say meow?
Have one. You can have one bite. Sit. Oh my god. It's pistachio ice cream.
have to tell you something. You're adopted.
So I called for bath time, and then this guy just coincidentally fell asleep. I know he's faking it because his tail is moving. So I'm going to wake him up. Wake up. I know you're faking it. Wake up. It's time for bath. Let's go. Chase, you're not going to hit me. Let's go. Come on. No. Let's go. Come on.
Alright guys, I've done everything I know to do to get famous on this TikTok app, but nothing seems to be working. I've seen this work for other people, so I'm gonna give it a shot.
Help.
Mother, please.
I'm gonna die. I see God. Death awaits.
What are you doing? What are you doing? I will beat your ass. I'll beat you. Want some candy ass? Get some candy ass for you. Oh.
Watch this. No. Roll. You're so dumb. You know you love me. Not true. Do you want a hug? No, I want to fight you. Hug. Jesus, what kind of hug is that? The kind made with love. Please someone open this door, let me escape the dingus.
What is this? Ben, I need to borrow some soap.
Oh, just a minute.
What? Dude, what are these?
Those are just,
I said no more animals, dude.
I don't have any
what
more
are
animals,
you,
man.
A possum?
What?
Do not touch the remote. Do not touch the remote. Do not set up. Do not touch the remote.
Please, for the love of God, stop drinking. You're gonna drink us out of house and home.
That is rude. That is rude. Stop.
Rise and shine, gorgeous. You ready to start the day?
It's literally 6 a.m.
That's okay, I'll just wait. You ready?
Snake. I'm a snake. I'm a snake. I'm a slithery little sneaky snake. I'm so slithery and sneaky because I'm a snake.
Here's my butt.
Stop touching her, dude. She's gonna smack you. She's gonna keep smacking you.
Cats are government spies. The white hair is her deactivate button. Her minion trying to stop me.
You want food?
Oh my god!
What is wrong with you? T'es pas content, là? On est en crise, là? Oui, je suis...
Honey, can we shall we give high fives? Are you happy about giving the high five?
I read on the internet that cats get on your laptop because they're mirroring you, and so if you get them their own laptop, they'll leave you alone. And look at this little businessman!
Everybody else's cat is like this, but you can't like have my cat scratch the scratch pad on his own. You gotta like rev him up. You gotta really just rev him up and get those ears down, and there he goes. You can pretty much just do it like whenever you want to. Just